What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today is travel day. It is finally come that we can head to the States. It's only 10 o'clock this morning, but got a few jobs to do, a few things to get done today. Gonna go to Pookie, see the girls, give them a hug because they're going away to Wanaka with their mum for like 7 weeks or something, so they're gonna have a really good time down there, having a bit of winter activities and stuff. And then we're gonna head to Hamilton, go to Red Star Signs, grab some stickers that I need for my trip, and then yeah, we'll head up to Auckland. We're gonna pick up Cody. We also have to drop all these Kenders off at 360 Link, so yeah, it's gonna be a big day, but excited. So yeah, sit around for the ride. It's gonna be a long day. Like, I think we've got like 28 hours on the plane. We're traveling, so from the time we leave to the time we arrive is like, yeah, something like that. It's like the first flight's 13 hours, then a 5-hour layover, then a 5-hour flight, then another couple hours or something, and then another like hour flight, and then we should be there. Easy. Sweet, so we've got a few jobs out of the way this morning. Went and seen the girls at school, which was sick. Checking out their new school and stuff, and then showing me their school work, and yeah, really proud of them and how they're getting on, and just yeah, everything they're doing. They're amazing little girls. Well, they're actually growing up pretty fast. So yeah, now we've just been through Hamilton. We've just stopped in at Red Star Signs, grabbed a bunch of goodies, some stickers to take over to the States, and plaster them everywhere. So yeah, shout out to Clint and Charlie and the team there at Red Star Signs for the last minute kind of rush to get those done. And then now we are on our way to 360 Link, which is where Kenda are, and we're going to drop off all these tyres, and then we will be able to pretty much go from there and pick up Cody from school, and then we'll be getting ready to go to the airport. So yeah, a bit of a busy day, but I think we're on time at the moment. Yeah, it's quite fine time limits, but we should be able to make it pretty good. And then yeah, I just can't wait. Just want to get on the plane, sit down, and then be sitting down for a long time. But yeah, let's keep going and hammer down. Alright, so Steph's just come here. I'm gonna jump in their car. Leo can go home.
I'm whipping the van.
Out for dinner quickly, and then we're gonna head to the airport. So yeah, cheers Leo for bringing me up to Auckland.
No worries.
Yeah, no worries. And you guys will see what Leo and the boys get up to. We've got me helmet, just so we don't have to wear someone else's. There you go, my love. Thank you. And she's got a cool hoodie on.
Oh yeah, matchy.
Plan that.
7-2.
Bye Leo.
Bye. Have fun.
Thank you. So we just went to the supermarket to get the boys some goodies. Some kiwi treats. Got a set of favourites. What else we got? Tim Tams, because last time they loved them. Some Perky Nana. Pixie Caramel, Squiggles. What else we got? Some Whittaker's chocolate down there. Some jet planes. Yeah, they're gonna love it. We're on. Alright, sweet, so we've just made it to the airport. Got all our bags down here. Big Sparko team over here. One there, another one there. Thanks to Steph's mum, Ruth, bringing us to the airport. But yeah, we've got everything, we've got a trolley, so it's time to get in there. Yeah, let's go. Well, we've got like 3 hours, like 3.5 hours till our flight, because we managed to get dropped off early, just so Ruth could go home, and we got nothing else to do, so we might as well just stay here, have a drink. Steph's having a wine, And then yeah, we're just gonna sit around here. We got, yeah, I think it's like 3.5 hours till we board, so good fun. go do some shopping. Kidding, we got no fucking money to do that. We'll just kind of keep on strolling. We got time to kill. This is great. Alright, so we've got a 23-minute walk to our gate. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So yeah, we've made it to LAX. We just got off the plane. We got to do a bit of restroom stop before we go through customs and go get our bags and stuff, because we've actually got to get our bags to get and then go check into the next flight. So it's a 5-hour wait. So yeah, we've got time, and obviously we all just got off the plane, so there's no rush to go get our bags or anything. So yeah, we're just chilling in here. It's like 26 or 25 degrees outside. Nice. It's like 5 o'clock. So all is good. I got me one of these. She was like, oh, you know, 6 ounce or a 9 ounce one. Oh, look at this thing. It's a bucket. Big fan. Oh yeah, this is all good. Alright, so we've made it to Washington DC. Dulles, I don't know, international. So it's 5:20 a.m. here. So we flew through the night again. So it's the second night we've missed. Managed to get about 20 minutes sleep on the plane, but it was all good. It wasn't too bad a flight. It went pretty fast. And now we're heading to our next gate to get the last flight. So yeah, not long to go. Cab's here.
Are you dead or what?
Bro, no, not too bad.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Well, we fucking made it. My God.
You made it.
30 hours, pal.
Welcome to Connecticut.
Yeah, what a weapon of a place.
No New Zealand. Definitely not as lovely, but we'll make it a experience.
Hey, it'll be a great time. Well done, babe. You made it. We haven't had too many punch-ups.
Not even one. You bullshit.
The connectors weren't too bad?
Nah,
No, it's
it was all good. So we're in
I
here,
know it can be quite
all of our gear.
Like, apart from that, the temple thing.
Sick. Whoo-wee.
I've seen this before.
Shoot. Oh, I've seen this on the TV. On the telly. Alright, so we have actually made it to the shop, but I'm actually going to call this video here. We're going to go inside. I'm going to meet everyone off camera and stuff because I can't be bothered doing it. And Leo's going to have fun editing this. Thanks, Jimmy, for bringing us.
Yes, I'm happy you're here, and Leo, good luck with this.
Yeah.
You're the man.
No, it's going to be good. So, yeah, well, it's been a hell of a day. It's like 30 hours since we've
Yeah, it's
kind of
It's a
left.
journey.
It's amazing. It's a major. But yeah, so we're at the shop, and yeah, let's go. Thanks heaps, guys, for watching. Yeah, stay tuned. This is going to be a sick trip. So yeah, see you guys later.